I am very happy to share that I have recently been selected to work with Deloitte as a client company on the payroll of Progressive Innovation Pvt Ltd with a package of 2.6 LPA. This is a proud and meaningful step forward in my career. I would sincerely like to thank Evision Technoserve Pvt Ltd for playing a key role in this transformation and for the consistently guiding me through this journey. I was able to build strong fundamentals networking, operating system, hardware, and service management. They provide hands-on training, real-time exposure, and professional grooming. Evision not only gave me the opportunity to start my career, it will support me through proper mentorship, resume building, and upskilling season. Their structured training in IT fundamentals, network concept, and professional ethics helped me perform better in the interview and on the job. I am truly grateful for the platform provide which helped me transition from a facial to a confident professional ready to work in reputable organization. I see this as just the beginning and I am committed to continue to learn and grow further in this field. I would like to especially thank Sati ma'am because of guidance. I joined individual. She explained everything clearly and helped me take the right decision for my career. I also want to thank you all the trainers at Evision who trained us so well and give us the knowledge and confidence to perform in the interview and in the job. A big thanks to Ganesh and Priya ma'am for their constant support, motivation, and proper guidance. Whenever I had doubt or need help, they were always there to support me. Once again, thank you, Evision Technoserve Pvt Ltd, for believing in my potential and guiding me to this point.